In this video, I'll show you how to AirDrop files from your iPad Air M4 to your iPhone, or could be also another iPad or a Mac computer. So let's get started. First step, take one of the devices, doesn't matter which one you start here. I will start with my iPhone. Drag down from the top right corner and make sure that AirDrop is turned on. This is the AirDrop icon. It's a few circles. Keep press on it, keep press on AirDrop. And here you have many options. You have receiving off, and make sure this is not selected. If you're trying to transfer files between two devices that are in your contacts, for example, this is the phone, I don't know, of your friend, he's on your contacts. Well, you can select contacts only if it's a stranger or somebody that is not part of your contacts, everyone for 10 minutes. On your iPad, same thing. Over here, the AirDrop logo, keep press on it, keep press on it again, everyone for 10 minutes if it was a stranger. Now, how do you access the files on your iPad to be able to send them? In that case, simply find the Files app. It comes included with your iPad. Drag all the way towards the right side, tap on App Library, and type Files. Here we go, Files. Tap on Files. This will open. You can tap this small icon on the top of the screen, select On My iPad, and here are all the folders and all the files that are currently on your iPad. If you're trying to transfer a photo or video, you need to go in the Photo app of the iPad, and I'll show it how to do it in just a few seconds. If you want to transfer a file that is here or a folder, tap the three dots, click on Select, and tap on everything you wish to transfer. Here I have selected 2 files, could have been more. And then over here, you're going to click Share. This will open, and you're going to get the AirDrop logo. Tap on AirDrop. This will open, and every other AirDrop devices that are currently turned on around you will appear here. Right now, you only see this one, and that's not my iPhone, because my iPhone screen is turned off. Now that my iPhone screen is turned on, it appeared in the list. So I'll tap on it, and the transfer will begin and will be done. Here we go. As you see, I have received whatever I have sent. If you want to do the same thing with photos, go into the Photos app on the iPhone that you want to transfer files, photos or videos to the iPad, or on the iPad. And from here, same thing, tap on Select, tap on whatever you want to send. Click on this share icon. It's a square with an arrow. Tap on AirDrop. And here you simply select the device that you want to share these with. It's transferring, and here we go. It's completed. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.